Got an old couch taking up space in your living room? Or maybe a crusty old mattress in the garage that's seen better days? If you live in Port Coquitlam, don't load up the truck for a dump run just yet. Welcome back to Local Fellas, your go-to for everything hyperlocal in Metro Vancouver. Today, we're breaking down the City of Port Coquitlam's large item pickup program. It's a free service designed to stop illegal dumping and help you clear the clutter. But if you don't follow the rules, you could end up with a fine instead of a clean curb. Let's get into it. First things first, who qualifies? This program is for household owners who receive city waste services and pay the solid waste levy on their property tax bills. If you're a renter, you can still use the service, but you must have your landlord call 604-927-5324 or email the city to give their permission first. Here is the math on what you can put out. Each qualifying household gets a choice every calendar year. Option A, 2 separate pickups of up to 3 items each, OR. Option B, 1 single pickup of 4 to 6 items. How to schedule it? 1. Go to the City of Port Coquitlam website and fill out the online form. Pickups can only be scheduled up to 2 weeks in advance. 2. Wait for an email confirmation from a clerk to discuss a date. This usually takes 2 to 5 business days. Pro tip: check your spam or junk folder. 3. Once you get your confirmed date, you'll receive a final confirmation at least 1 day before the pickup. 4. On the scheduled day, have your items at the curb by 7 a.m. This is where people usually get tripped up, so pay attention. The illegal dumping trap. Do not put your items on the curb until the actual morning of your confirmed pickup date. If you put them out early, the city considers it illegal dumping, and you can be fined. The mattress rule. This is a big one. Mattresses and box springs must be dry and wrapped completely in clear plastic, like a mattress bag or packing plastic, and sealed tight with tape. No tarps allowed. If it's not sealed in plastic, they won't take it. Keep it dry and bug-free. All upholstered furniture, like couches or armchairs, must be dry and not infested with bed bugs or other vermin. If it's raining, you need to cover them with plastic or a tarp. The tarp will be left behind for you to reuse. Multi-piece and small items. Small household goods must be in boxes or bundled, and 1 reasonable-sized box or bundle equals 1 item. Also, keep in mind that each section of a sectional couch, or both pieces of a futon, frame and mattress, count as separate items. Weight limits. City staff cannot enter your house, garage, or porch. You have to get the items to the curb yourself. Also, every item must be able to be safely carried by just 2 people. Preparation. Barbecues must have the lava rocks, briquettes, and propane tanks removed. Gas mowers must be completely drained of all gas and liquids. The no list. They will not take electronics, TVs or computers, rugs/carpets, glass, mirrors, medical equipment, or construction waste like sinks, toilets, or lumber. Hazardous waste and medical waste are also strictly banned. The year-end cutoff. If you submit a request in the last 2 weeks of December, it will count toward your allotment for the following year. Navigating city services doesn't have to be a headache if you know the steps. Be sure to check the City of Port Coquitlam website for the full list of accepted items, or just click the link in our description. The link is right there. You can also call the city with any questions at 604-927-5324. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to Local Fellas for more hyper-local tips around Metro Vancouver.